Hi everyone, I am here today to share a Christmas card that I'm making for family and friends to share. It's my Christmas card 2020. I do this every year for close family and friends, so I make them all the same. I know people don't normally do that, but I do. So let me show you what I used. Um, I used this is Extai. I use the Merry Christmas. I use this Cottage Cuts Peking Santa Bear. Oh my god, he's so adorable. Um, and I use this Quick Cuts Polaroid for my shaker. This year I'm making a shaker for my family. I don't think I have in the past. So anyway, believe me, this was a labor of love. I used this paper pad from Hobby Lobby I got on sale, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago. I didn't even think they had this, so when their paper studio was on sale, I picked it up. I used some bits, sequins from, I want to say this is from Dollar Tree, I can't be sure, and some hearts from Tuesday Morning, foam, just real cheapy foam from Michael's. And that's it. So here is my shaker. It's so cute. I love him. I wanted to use him this year, but I needed him to peek out of some things. So I thought, oh my gosh, I have this Polaroid. I've had it for years, and I just love how this turned out. So I cut out the pieces and put them together. I Winkastella his berry and his hat. And I don't know if you can see the glitter of the Winkastella. It adds such a pretty touch to it. I cut out the word die, added it to the shaker, and called it a day. And I think it's so cute. And hopefully all my family and friends will enjoy shaking it like I do. So that's my card for 2020. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.